Creating a customer quote in a cash flow account is a relatively straightforward process. For businesses, particularly those operating online, providing quotes to customers before securing a contract is a common practice. This process is managed within the Kashflow dashboard. To initiate, navigate to the home screen and select Sales from the top menu, which will prompt a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Sales Quotes to access a list of previously created quotes. To create a new quote, click on Create New in the top right corner. In this new quote setup, you can assign a quote number, issue date, and category. The issue date can be set for the current day, a previous day, or a future date. The category can initially be listed as a draft, and later updated to reflect the quote's status, such as sent, in negotiation, or won. You can also specify the currency for the quote and add a reference that will be shared with the customer. To associate the quote with a customer, you can select from existing customers or add a new one by clicking the plus icon. Once the customer is selected, you can begin adding products or services to the quote, including their rates. It's advisable to include comments to clarify any terms or conditions that might affect the pricing, such as deadlines for the customer to provide necessary information or supplies. After compiling the quote, save it by scrolling down and clicking the Save button. The newly created quote will then be listed under Sales Quotes, where you can view its details, print it, or email it directly to the customer. The status of the quote can be updated as necessary, reflecting whether it has been sent, is under review, or has been won or lost. This straightforward process simplifies the creation and management of customer quotes within a cash flow account.